Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out your level on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. Now, when you open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels, after which you can log into your account by tapping on the gear icon at the top right and then by clicking on Link Account. From here, you can use your EA account, your Facebook or your Google Play Games account to log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you can go back to the home page, and if you wish to check your level, just tap on your user ID at the top left corner. This will then take you to the player profile menu, where you will be shown your overall level. Now underneath OVR, you will be shown your team strength, and just underneath your username, you will find your current level, which can also be considered as your experience. This will also have various different categories in which you can have various different kinds of scores. You can improve your level and your score by playing additional matches and winning, and you can use the experience increase to increase your level as well. And there you have it. That is how you can check your level within the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.